everyone, and welcome to My Things to Do. Today is National Grilled Cheese Day. Yay, I love grilled cheese and I know you do too. This time I want to make it a little bit different than the normal cheese on bread, pop it on the stove. So come with me and see what I do. Got my panini press heated up while I go ahead and mix together the first things that I'm going to put together. I'm going to use half of this cream cheese. In fact, let me break it up a little bit more. Ooh, it does seem like it's already really soft. You definitely want it softened. I've got half a cup of finely shredded Parmesan cheese and about a cup of the Fiesta blend cheese. I'm going to mix all of this together very well. Alright, so I've got this fairly mixed up really well. Yeah, it's mixed well. And I've got my panini press ready. Instead of just making a regular grilled cheese on panini, I bought garlic Texas toast. We like garlic in our house, so I'm going to make garlic Texas toast grilled cheese sandwiches. I did not defrost the Texas toast, so it is still frozen. Let's get this spread on here. And I do want to make it fairly thick because, as we all know, when you put the panini together, it goes down small. Now, what is it that you think about when you think about grilled cheese sandwiches? Tomato soup, of course. I've already made the tomato soup. It's waiting for the sandwiches. I wanted to make some croutons, but I don't want just regular croutons. So I've got my cast iron grill here. It's already nice and hot. It's on the stove, nice and hot. I'm going to make grilled cheese croutons and put that on my soup. So I'm going to go ahead and butter the outside of my sourdough bread. When I was younger, my mother would always buy this bread and she just simply called it German bread. So when I got older and tried to find German bread, imagine my amazement when I couldn't find it, but could find it when I looked for sourdough. There we go. So I've got both sides buttered, ready to go onto the pan. And for this, I'm going to just use regular sliced American cheese. I'm using 4 slices because I really want my croutons to be cheesy. There we go. And let's get this on the grill. Nice. Alright, so our crouton sandwich is finished. Let's go ahead and get those cut up. Our grilled cheese croutons are finished. Got nice grill marks on them. Oh, listen to that crunch when I cut into it. Ah, perfect. I love hearing that crunch. Nice. Very nice. Alright, I've got some bacon that I cooked up earlier. Put a little bit of bacon into my tomato soup. Let me go ahead and cut up my croutons now. Add my grilled cheese croutons into the soup. Look at that. Perfect. And the panini sandwiches are finished also. Ah, nice. There they are. Let's go ahead and cut into that and see how that came out too. Ah, listen to that crunch. Hear that? Look at this. Ah. Well, today, my things to do, grilled cheese sandwich, and it's for National Grilled Cheese Day. You know, I've got to take a taste of this, especially with the grilled cheese crouton. Let's see how this tastes. It's having a bite of tomato soup with my grilled cheese sandwich all in one bite. I love that. I'm going to try this grilled cheese panini. Did you hear that crunch? Oh my god. This is so creamy and so good. Honey, it's lunchtime. Yeah. Grilled cheese, my things to do. Make it your things to do too.